watching Gravenhurst Public Library's Junior Engineers. My name is Miss Jen, and I'm the Child and Youth Services Librarian here at GPL. Today, for your weekly engineering design challenge, I want you to build a marble run, or a marble maze, or a marble slide, or a marble ramp, or whatever you want to build that a marble can go down and through. So you got a ton of materials today, but definitely feel free to use other things that you have around the house and at home as well. But we did try to give you some tubes, lots of different kinds of papers, some plates and things like that. And remember, you're going to be using that engineering design process to tackle this challenge. So start by defining the problem, brainstorming, then you're gonna plan, build, test, and reflect. Please, if you have time, post a picture to the Junior Engineers Padlet, and also check out the Padlet. I'm going to be sharing the link to Midland Public Library's Junior Engineers Padlet so you can see what some of the other kids who are tackling their challenges are doing. So definitely check that out. Before I wrap up today, because there isn't much I have to really tell you about this challenge, it speaks for itself. I do want to show you some examples of really cool marble runs that other kids have built, because they don't all look exactly as you might imagine. So take a second and check them out. Thanks for watching this week's Junior Engineers video. I know I didn't have a lot to talk about this week, but next week we're gonna be working on something fun and then a big project for our final week in March. So tune back in and keep picking up your Take and Make kits and building amazing things your way. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.